Instead of throwing away your wipers, spray them with WD-40. Then wipe them thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. The spray dissolves built-up dirt and deposits on the rubber. This makes the rubber more flexible and soft. The wipers glide smoothly across the windshield again, removing water without leaving streaks. A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. In winter, I always keep toothpaste in the car. It's the cheapest way to get rid of an annoying problem. Although it sounds strange, toothpaste has a brilliant application that will be useful for drivers. Winter is a challenging time for drivers. Snow removal from the car, frozen locks, and fogged-up windows. Limited visibility on the road can lead to accidents. It turns out that ordinary toothpaste can solve the annoying problem. All you need is to prepare a microfiber cloth. It's important for it to be clean and new. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it, then rub it onto the inner part of the windshield. Start from the front, spreading it evenly. Then, with the clean side of the cloth, begin to polish. A thin layer of paste will settle on the windshield. Its action will prevent the windows from fogging up. It's always worth having a tube in the car. Additionally, toothpaste has polishing properties. It helps to remove microscratches that occur on the windows during driving. Here's a perfect trick for cleaning your car upholstery. Spills from drinks will be a thing of the past, and unpleasant odors will disappear. With it, you can refresh your car's interior quickly and for free. Take a bowl and fill it with warm water. Next, take a laundry detergent pod. Throw the pod into the water and wait for it to dissolve completely. Mix everything to create a cleaning foam. Take an ordinary small towel and soak it in the mixture. Thoroughly wring out the excess water. It's important that the towel is damp but not dripping. You'll be cleaning the car in sections, so it's best to start with the passenger seat. Lay the towel on the car upholstery. Place a pot lid on top of it, which is the key item for this trick. This is what makes the method successful. Fold the corners of the towel towards the center so that you can grasp them along with the pot lid handle. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the upholstery in circular motions, moving the lid over the entire surface. When the towel dries, soak it again to repeat the process on other parts. The upholstery will smell and look like new, and your car will be like it just came from the showroom. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time. A coin in your car door won't bring you luck. If you find one left in the handle, it's a sign of thieves. So if you ever notice something like this, you need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes they're after what's inside your car, and other times they want the car itself. Remote-controlled locks aren't supposed to fail, so when you park somewhere, you simply press your key fob and walk away. You think your car is locked. You might even leave personal items inside, unaware that someone could easily and quickly steal them. After all, you locked the car and it's parked in a public place. But it turns out that's not a problem for thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. All they need is a coin. Criminals place a coin inside the door handle, which can block the locking mechanism. This simple trick makes the door with the coin stay unlocked, exactly what the thief intended. Most often, the coin is placed in the passenger side handle. If you drive alone, you're unlikely to check that side. This trick doesn't work on every car model, so it's a good idea to test yours and see if a coin can prevent the door from locking. It could save you from serious trouble. Your property is at risk. A warning about a new, surprisingly simple trick that burglars are using. It sounds basic, but it works. And you might not even realize you've already been targeted. All it takes is a thin, nearly invisible thread, chosen to match the color of your door perfectly. A burglar attaches it in a hidden spot, usually in a corner where it's easy to miss. It looks like nothing, but it's a trap. When you walk into your home, the thread breaks. To you, it's just a tiny detail. To the burglar, it's a clear signal. If the thread is still intact, it means no one's been home. That's the perfect time to break in and take whatever's most valuable. And often, without knowing it, you've made their job easier by posting vacation photos on social media and letting the world know you're away. Pay attention to small details. Check your doors. And most importantly, if you see anything suspicious, don't wait. Call emergency services immediately. Be careful. One thread could decide the safety of your entire home. There's a reason I always place glasses on the door handle like this. I worked in hotels for many years. This trick was shared with me by a frequent guest who's been using it for years. Everyone should know it. Many hotel rooms don't have any additional lock on the inside, and anyone with a duplicate key card can open the door from the outside. If you're staying somewhere unfamiliar and want to feel safer, this simple method can help you sleep more peacefully. All you need are 2 glasses from the hotel room. Hang one horizontally on the handle, sliding it in as deep as possible. Then place the second glass upright on top of the first. Leave it like this overnight. If someone tries to open the door, the glasses will fall and make a loud noise. You'll wake up immediately, and the noise will scare off the intruder. This trick is simple but highly effective. It's used not only by solo travelers, but also by flight crew and hotel staff, who often sleep in unfamiliar places.